Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the beauty boxes for the month of May. I've got 4 of them and we are starting off with Allure. I will have the prices of the subscriptions on the screen as well as the prices. This is the only beauty box that I have that does not have full-size products in it. So the prices that I will be listing will just be the full-size product. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. Okay, so the first thing we got is a Sunday Riley product, which is this right here. This is nothing to turn your nose at. This is a $65 product, and this is full size, and it's Sunday Riley B3 Nice, and it has 10%, I can't pronounce that word so I'm not going to try, serum. There we go. But that's what it looks like when you open the box. And this says, let's see, what's it say it's for? It's to minimize the appearance of pores, even out look the blotchy skin tones, improve the appearance of surface redness, and deliver clear looking radiance. So this is something I will be using a lot of. I will probably use all of it up. So yeah, I'm happy about that. The next thing we have here is Refi Brow Pomade. This is in shade medium. I think this will work for me. I'm going to try it. I've been trying different brow products lately, mainly because I don't have any brows. Like if you've seen my videos where I don't have anything on my face, I have no brows. Like they're very little. So I'm interested in trying different products that could potentially do well. So this is a $20 product. This is what a container looks like, and let's see what it looks like because I am going to try this out soon. Okay, so this end, this must be the pomade because that opens up like that. I'm not really sure, so let's open the other end. Okay, so this is a brush on this end and you dip it in here and do it like that. So I don't know, I have no feelings about it yet, but I think this is a very interesting product and I can't wait to try it out. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Imomo, I don't know how to pronounce that, Badass MF Matte Filler Lip Liner. I don't really use lip liner. I have a bunch of lip liner, and lip liner is really good as you age. If you line your lips, it kind of keeps your lip products from bleeding. But I still generally just use gloss because it's easier for me during the day. I like my lips to stay moist. So I am going to pass this along. This is a $16 product. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Revitalizing Mask. This is by Kibon Beauty. And I absolutely love my mask, so this is definitely a keeper, definitely something I'm going to use. Apparently, this one mask is $13. So if you're big into sheet mask, you know that's a little pricey for a sheet mask, but I'm still excited to try it out. Okay, so the next thing we got is Eva NYC Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo. So for a 1 ounce can, it retails for $6. This is 0.75 ounces. I don't know how that works out, but anyways, this is what the size looks like right here. I'm definitely going to use this, probably stick it in my purse. This is a good size for travel and purses and stuff like that, so I probably will do that with this. The next thing we got here is Hero Cosmetics Mighty Points Patch, the original. I don't know if this is full size or not, but this for 6 patches retails for $12.99. I'm probably going to just stick this into a giveaway or something because this is not something I would really use. I do break out rarely. I'm really big about my skincare, so I don't tend to do a lot of things to cause my skin to break out because it happens easily. So yeah, I'm passing this along. Okay, so the next box is Eyescream Beauty Box. Now this is, I think I've opened 1 or 2 boxes of this already on my channel. This is quickly becoming a favorite box. This is an indie brand, and I think that their theme and the products that they put in is very, very interesting. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing we got here is Glamourade Girls Cosmetic Power Palette. That is what it looks like. This retails for $33. I'm actually pretty excited about this palette because I think the colors in it are really, really fun. And we're gonna look at it. Here are the colors. I think they're super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them so we can see what they look like on. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of dark colors. This one is a really pretty translucent color that I could put over colors, which I think is nice. There's this really nice white color and this very faint sage looking color. This color, I'm actually really excited, is very duochrome. Can't really pick up too much in the camera, but I think this is a really nice combination of colors. I could actually make these work on a daily because they're not super crazy, but they are really pretty, so I am very happy about that. Okay, so the next thing I got here is Bel Air by Gerard Cosmetics lip liner. I'm not going to keep this because, like I already said, I don't really use a lot of lip liners. You know, if you do a lot of things with your mouth, like eat, it's really kind of annoying to constantly keep reapplying lip products. So I just don't usually use lip liner unless it's like for a video or something like that. So I'm gonna pass that along. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Duochrome Liquid Eyeshadow by Chianto. I'm not sure about liquid duochrome eyeshadow, but I am going to give this a try simply for the fact that I look for simple products when I really don't want to put a lot of work into my makeup, and this retails for $19, so let's swatch it and see what it looks like. Okay, this is actually right up my alley with this like color. Look at that. I do like that container. That is really pretty. I am foreseeing a lot of use out of this so far. Let's see what, oh, this is super pretty. Let's see if I can get it to show up. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. Yeah, I'm gonna love this. I mean, obviously you can put that over things. Blends easy. That is so pretty. Okay, so the next thing we got here is this 3D Rose Blusher by Swarovski US. I don't know. It retails for $30. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I know this is like viral right now, but it looks like just a regular flower, like a fabric flower you would get at the craft store, and it's got blush on it. I guess I'm trying to see if I can get some of it on my hands to, yeah, it's a super pink color. So there's the color. That's a really bold color. I don't really know how I feel about it. I am going to try to wear it some to see how I feel about it, but I don't know. That's pretty pink. That's like a hot pink. And the last thing we got here is High Pigmented Gloss by Beauty for Certain, and this retails for $32. That is the box right there. Obviously, if you watch me a lot, you know I love my glosses just because it's easy to put on and wear throughout the day. This is a really cute container. I like that. Okay, so I did get a clear gloss. This is high pigmented, but I don't see a color in it. It looks kind of like peach in the bottle, but on my hand it's coming out clear. Maybe it's one of those glosses that change color on your lips. I don't really know, but I'm fine with the clear gloss, so I'm going to be happy with that regardless. Alright, the next box we got here is Allure Beauty Box. This one is another independent one, but they tend to deal more with natural and organic and stuff like that. So if you're looking for more of the natural route of skincare and cosmetics, this is the beauty box for you right here. Okay, the first thing that comes out is Nourish Mantra Advanced Hair Growth Serum, and this retails for $65. So if that's something you're looking for, that's a good deal. I don't really use a lot of hair growth serums. I do use like things to help make it grow thicker and longer, faster. but not so much serums in my hair because I use a lot of other different serums to basically manage my hair. So I don't really like combining them. So this is, I'm probably going to pass that on to somebody else. Okay, so the next thing we got is Watermelon Cucumber Water Locking Mist. I guess this is full size. I don't know, but this says it retails it for $35. I guess this is, it's just a facial mist. Doesn't really say much else about it, but I like the smell of watermelon, and I'm big about keeping my skin hydrated, so I will be using this. Next thing we got is Therma Intensive Foot Care by Levito, and this retails for $10. I do like this brand's products. They always work very, very well. They are a little on the pricey side, but I will say I do think that their products are worth it. My feet are kind of crusty right now, so I'm going to be using this on my crusty feet. Alright, the next thing I got here is a body butter in scent Rose. Definitely going to use that. Guess it says you can use it on your face and body, and this little jar retails for $15, so that's kind of pretty intense right there. I am going to use it, so let's go ahead and smell it. It's a very faint light smell, so if you're worried about something that's overpowering, this is not overpowering, but it is really nice. Alright, so the last thing I got here is Bamika Detangling Brush, and this is biodegradable. There we go. It's 100% plastic free. And I actually did pick this one because I use brushes in the shower to do with my hair. This is interesting because this looks like plastic and it says it's plastic free, so I am curious how they did that, but I am definitely using that. I think that's really cool. Okay, so the last box is the Ipsy Boxy Charm box. I know that still really bothers me. I'm sure it bothers other people, but we're moving on. This is the one box that doesn't come with the prices included, so I have to go look it up, but I will make sure it's on the screen. And let's go ahead. I'm sorry, I gotta fix my shirt. It looks like it's kind of going all over the place. Alright, the first thing we got here is a Dominique Smooth and Blur Setting Powder. I am definitely going to be using that. I don't need it right now. I just opened a different setting powder, but I'm going to set this aside because I will most definitely use this without question. Alright, so the next thing we have, what is this? 29 Palms Mystique Springs Hydrating Serum. I am trying to figure out what this is for. So obviously it's for your face, but I can't figure out what it's supposed to do. Yeah, but that is that. Let's see what the, maybe it's just a hydrating serum. Maybe I'm overreading that. That's possible. Let's see what the bottle looks like. This is a nice bottle. Yeah, it doesn't really say on the bottle anything other than hydrating serum. So it's probably just a hydrating serum and I'm overreading it. Okay, so I have gotten this before. This is Evo Beauty Pore Perfecting Primer. This is a really nice primer, but since I already got one that's open and I'm using, I am going to pass this along. Alright, the next thing we got is Car Cosmetics Hydrating Serum, or not serum, setting mist. Yay! Okay, so I'm saying yay because I really do like my setting sprays, my mists and stuff. This is what this one looks like. Nice clear bottle. Very nice. So obviously I'm not opening or going to start using that yet because I've got like 2 bottles open already. No, 3 bottles of setting spray open. So I'll set that aside for now. And that leaves us with one last product. Right, so the last product is Iconic London Beach Babe Eyeshadow Palette. This is what it looks like. And these are the colors. Those are absolutely gorgeous colors for the summer. So let's go ahead and swatch them. Alright, so these are the colors on that palette swatched. You can see there are like 2 or 3 neutral colors, and the others are really, really bold and shimmery, and they're really, really pretty. So I wouldn't say this is necessarily a neutral palette, but it definitely gives me off beach wave kind of vibes. You know, the little sparkles that you get when the sun hits the water, that's kind of how it feels to me. So I am happy with everything I got for the most part. So that is it of the video. Let me know your thoughts down below on these products and boxes. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.